Now we will discuss part 4 of the ProTrader user guide and training manual, and that will cover order entry. So the order entry panel is meant to be in this block here. If it's not a problem. All you have to do is click on this drop down menu, select order entry, and we will now see our order entry panel. So the order entry panel, this is where you will place market and limit orders. So this is where you will actually place long and short trades. The first part we will discuss is symbol. All that is the symbol or specific share you want to buy or sell. So if you want to buy or sell Vodacom shares, just make sure to select Vodacom. Next is side. We can select buy or sell. All that means is if I select buy, it means I'm going long, or in simple terms, you predict that there will be a rise in price of the share and you want to profit from the rise in the share prices. If I select sell, it means I'm going short, or in simple terms, you predict that the price of the share is going to fall and you want to profit from the fall in the share price. Next is quantity. That is quite self-explanatory. That is just the amount of shares or CFDs you want to buy. If you want to buy 10 or 100 or 1,000, that is just where you select the amount of shares you want to buy. Next we see is order type. We're only going to work with market and limit. A market order is an order that is placed for a specific number of shares, and the market order will always guarantee execution at the current market price. So if you select market, here we can see the current market price is 153 Rand and 15 cents. I will buy these shares at current market price. So I will get them guaranteed at around about 153 Rand and 15 cents. If I select limit, we now see an extra box that appeared here where I can add my limit price. If I select limit, I can choose at which price I want to buy the shares. So if they are currently trading at 153 Rand, I decide I don't want to pay current market price of 153 Rand. I want to buy the shares for 150 Rand. I can add that in, but the share price will then have to decrease to 150 Rand before I will get the shares. If the price carries on going up and goes up from 153 up to 155, 160 and never went down to 150, I would not have gotten those shares. So that is the difference between market and limit. A market order will always say GTC under time in force. That TIF stands for time in force. But if I choose a limit order, I can change it between day and GTC. If I select day, all that means is that I want my order to only be in the market for today. At the end of the trading day, the system will automatically cancel the order. If I select GTC, that stands for good till cancelled. So my order will be in the market until I physically go and cancel the order. So let's leave this on market for now. Our time in force will always be GTC. Next we see SL price and TP price. SL stands for stop loss and TP stands for take profit. So if I want to activate the stop loss, all I have to do is click on it and now select a stop loss price. So if I want to put my stop loss at 150 Rand, you will now see if I buy 1,000 shares at current market price and it hits my stop loss, I will lose 3,210 Rand. if I select take profit and I say I want my take profit to be at, argument's sake, 160 Rand, I will make 6,790 Rand. So, going back from the top, symbol is just the share you want to buy. Next is side, buy or sell. Buy, you're predicting that share prices will rise and you want to benefit from the rise in prices. Sell means you're predicting that the share price will fall and you want to benefit from the fall in prices. Quantity, this is just the amount of shares we want to buy. Order type, we're going to choose market or limit. A market order is, all that means is I will get the shares at the current market price and I will get the shares immediately. If I choose limit, I can now select my own limit price, but the price of the share will have to reach my limit price before I physically get those shares. Next, stop loss. Stop loss, that is what I'm willing to risk. So I will add a stop loss price in for every trade and take profit. That is my take profit level. If I have a stop loss or take profit in place and the share price reaches the stop loss or take profit level, the system will automatically close the trade and you'll either have the stop loss, the amount you lost on the stop loss, deducted from your account, or if it hit the take profit, the amount you made from it hitting your take profit will automatically get added onto your balance.